Good day, everyone. So, my topic for today is e-commerce and supply chain management, which is related to our subject, which is the production and operation management. I choose the title from click to doorstep because when we buy something online, we only see the simple part, clicking buy now button. But behind that one click is a long process involving suppliers, inventory, warehouses, online sellers, logistics, and delivery. What happens after the buy now? So, after we click buy now, first the customer places the order. Then the payment and order details are processed. After that, the seller checks the inventory and prepares the product. Next, the courier delivers the package until it reaches the customer. For example, kapag bumili ka ng bag through online, after mo mag-order, makikita mo yung order confirmed, then makikita mo sa na na-pack na siya, then nakikita mo na na-shipped out na. So, and finally, after that, ma-delivered na dayon siya kung asa ka karon. So from the simple online order, we can already see that e-commerce and supply chain management are closely connected. So what is e-commerce? E-commerce or electronic commerce refers to buying and selling goods and services using the internet or digital platforms. Instead of going physically to a store, customers can browse products, place orders, and pay online. Examples include online marketplaces like Shopee and Lazada, social media selling through Facebook or TikTok, and also online stores of different businesses. So, however, e-commerce is not only about the online transactions. The actual product still needs to be sourced, stored, packed, and delivered. This is where supply chain management becomes important. The e-commerce order process. So, the basic process of an online order. First, the customer browses the products. Second, the customer places an order. Then third, the payment is processed. Then the seller packs the product. Then the courier ships it. And finally, the customer receives it. For example, kapag mag-order tayo ng shows online, we first search for the product, for the best product among all the sellers in the TikTok or in the Shopee. Then choose the size, then add to cart, then pay, wait for the seller to pack it, then pag napack na nila, then wait for the courier to deliver it. So, every step must be properly coordinated. If one step fails, the entire order may be delayed. Next is, what is supply chain management or SCM? Supply chain management or SCM is the process of planning, coordinating, and controlling the flow of products, informations, and money from the supplier until the final customer. So the goal is to deliver the right product to the right customer and the right time, in the right condition, and at the right cost. For example, if a business sells online clothes, it needs to make sure that the clothes are available, properly stored, packed correctly, and delivered to the customer on time. In simple words, guys, SCM or supply chain management makes sure that the product moves efficiently from where it comes, from where it needs to go. The next is the supply chain journey. This is the journey of a product through the supply chain. It starts with the supplier. The product may then go through production or sourcing. Then after that, it is stored in inventory or a warehouse. Then the e-commerce store receives the customer's order. Then the logistics delivers the product to the customer. Example, a small online business selling skincare products may buy products from a supplier, then store them in a small warehouse, then post them online, receive orders, pack them, and give them to a courier. So each stage is connected. If the supplier is delayed, the seller may not have products to sell. If the courier is delayed, the customer will receive the order late. Then, how e-commerce and SCM work together? E-commerce creates the demand, right? While supply chain management fulfills that demand. When a customer clicks buy now, e-commerce receives the order. Supply chain management then checks if the product is available, prepares the product, packs it, and delivers it. E-commerce creates the order, but supply chain management makes the delivery possible. Let's proceed to the inventory management. In inventory management is the process of monitoring and controlling the products a business has available. One common problem in e-commerce is stock out. This happens when a customer orders a product but the seller does not actually have the product available. For example, a seller posts 20 pieces of product online, but the actual inventory is only 5 pesos. Oh my God. If 10 customers order, so unsay mahitabo guys. So the seller cannot fulfill all the orders. So what's the effect? This can result in cancellations, delays, negative reviews, and dissatisfied or unhappy customer. That is why accurate inventory records are very, very important. Next is the logistics and the final mile. The final mile refers to the last stage of delivery from the warehouse or distribution center to the customer. This is often one of the most challenging parts because of the traffic, distance, bad weather, incorrect addresses, and other delivery problems. For example, a parcel may already be near the customer's location, but the heavy rain or traffic can still delay the delivery. It is important that in e-commerce, customers do not only expect a good product, they also expect fast and reliable delivery. So, these are the common challenges. There are different challenges in e-commerce and supply chain management. First is stock out. So, walang available product. Next is delivery delay. Like, dumating ang order. System error. Mali ang inventory or order information. Returns. Ibinalik ng customer ang product. High cost. Mahal ang transportation, storage, and operation. Last is the customer expectation. Customers expect fast delivery and good service. For example, if a customer expects delivery within 3 days, but the package arrives after 2 weeks, the customer may become dissatisfied even if the product itself is good. The problem-solving game. Let us apply what we learned. A customer orders a product online. The seller accepts the order, but after 2 days, the seller discovers that the product is out of stock. So, what do you think is the main problem? Correct, letter B. For poor inventory management. The problem is not marketing because the customer already ordered the product. The main problem is that the seller did not properly monitor the inventory. So, what's the lesson? This shows why businesses must have accurate and updated inventory information. Next is technology makes the supply chain smarter. Technology plays an important role in modern supply chain management. E-commerce platforms connect buyers and sellers. Inventory systems monitor all the stocks. GPS tracking allows customers to track their packages. Automation reduces repetitive manual work. Cloud systems allow information to be accessed easily. Data analytics help businesses make better decisions. For example, when we track our parcel using a tracking number, we are using technology that provides visibility in the supply chain. Next is, why this matters to entrepreneurs ba talaga? So, an entrepreneur must also know how to source products, manage inventory, control costs, coordinate delivery, and satisfies always the customer. So a great product is not enough, guys. It must reach the customer efficiently. So, entrepreneurial application. Let us apply this to a small online business. First, the entrepreneur finds reliable suppliers. Next, the entrepreneur monitors inventory. When a customer orders, the product is packed and given to a courier. Then, the delivery is then tracked, and customer concern and returns must also be handled. To conclude, the next time we click buy now, we should remember that we are not just making a simple online purchase. Behind every order is a complete supply chain involving the suppliers, inventory, warehouses, online platforms, logistics, and the customers. So e-commerce creates the demand and supply chain management delivers the promise. So thank you for listening. I hope that through this presentation, we now understand how every simple click can activate an entire supply chain. Thank you and God bless, guys.